Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Meron na naman akong bagong i-share sa inyo na earning app. It's a mining app guys, risehash.com, na pwede tayong kumita ng TRX. Okay, araw-araw, every 24 hours guys. At ang minimum withdrawal dito guys na TRX is 2 TRX. Okay, so dito guys is hindi siya free. Okay, kailangan nating mag-invest ng at least minimum na 30 TRX. Okay, which is yung 30 TRX guys, kung i-convert natin sa PHP is nasa 140 to 150 pesos PHP. Okay, so ayan guys, konting explanation lang para kumita dito guys is magmamine lang naman tayo, no? Wala tayong gagawin. All we need to do is mag-deposit lang. Okay, buy hash. Kung makikita nitong buy hash, yan. Dito guys is hindi unlimited. Okay, yung period ng ating pag mimina or yung ating earning, hindi siya unlimited. Okay, it's limited lang 30 days period. Yan, kung makita nyo. At ang minimum investment nga is 30. Okay, so kung mag-invest kayo guys is kung gusto nyong mag-invest is nasa sa inyo yan. Mag-invest kayo ng sabihin na natin yung minimum lang. Okay, 30. Ayan, kunwari mag-deposit tayo, yan 30. So ang daily earning niya is 2.7 TRX, which is pwede na kayo makapag-withdraw every day. Okay, kasi ang minimum withdrawal is 2 TRX. Yan, ang total return niya within 30 days is 81 TRX. Yan. So yan, dito yung makikita yung inyong total earning. Okay, within 30 days. So yan, papakita ko lang yung aking hash. My hashes, yan. So yan. So nag-invest ako guys ng yan 209 TRX. Yan, with may natitira na lang akong 28 days. Yan. So yan, dalawa kasi ang dineposit ko guys. Yung una is yung 30 TRX. Yan, makikita niyo yung start time at end time ko. Yan. Yung dalawang yan guys. Yan yung ininvest ko, okay? Para kumita ako ng yan guys, ito yung daily earning ko, 23.3 TRX, and yung total hash ko is 259. Yan, so 229 guys yung ininvest ko na TRX. 229, 30 plus 209 is 239 pala guys na TRX. Lahat yung na-invest ko, yung dineposit ko. So dito guys, kapag mag-sign up kayo is may free na 10 terahash or yan, which is kikita na yan ng 1 TRX a day. So yan, tapos kapag may invite pa kayo, every 20 invite is meron kayong free na 10 hash. Okay, ayan. So pero kailangan nyo mag-deposit guys para makapag-withdraw kayo. Yan. Dito. Okay, dito yung withdrawal guys. Yan, ito yung minimum withdrawal is 2 TRX. Yan, so meron akong withdrawable balance na 24.8 TRX. So mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pag-withdraw ko naman. So dito sa payment guys, papakita ko lang yung mga withdrawal ko. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so naka-anim na ako na successful withdrawal. So paying siya guys. So ngayon papakita ko na sa inyo ang pag-withdraw ko. Yan, i-withdraw natin itong 24.81 TRX. So papakita ko muna yung aking Trust Wallet. Oops, hindi yan. Ito. Okay, so yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung aking withdrawal. Yan. And makikita nyo yung date. Yan. So yung dalawang withdrawal ko guys sa Binance ko ginawa. Kaso Mas okay na dito sa Trust Wallet, ano. Yan, para maipon na sa isang wallet. So yung 4 is dito sa Trust Wallet ko. Makita nyo. Payments. Ayan. Ito yung 4 na sa Trust Wallet ko winidraw. Makita nyo yung amount. Yan. Yan. Makikita nyo. Yan. Yan. So dito guys is mag-withdraw ulit tayo sa ating Trust Wallet. Withdraw. Yan. Okay. Receive. And copy lang natin itong Trust Wallet natin. TRX. Yan. Withdraw amount is 24.82. So may 24.82 na ako na pwedeng i-withdraw. 24.82. Yan. Then yung Tron TRC20 wallet natin, which is a Trust Wallet. I-copy ko lang ulit para sigurado. Yan, copy. Then paste. Next. Yan. Withdraw request successful. Your payment will be made automatically shortly. Okay, import your withdraw transaction will be confirmed shortly. You must add your withdraw proof of to the Telegram chat section. So pwede kayo sumali sa Telegram guys. And i-post nyo doon yung inyong withdrawal. Okay, so hintayin natin yung ating payment. So pang 7 ko na itong withdrawal guys. Yan. So yung kahapon ko is 16.26 yung pinidro ko. So hintayin natin to guys. Yan, so makita nyo kahapon, yesterday. Yan, ito. Yan, 16.26. Hintayin natin yung withdraw natin ngayon. Ayan. Guys, oh. Makikita nyo, today, completed na siya. 8:46 AM. 24.32 TRX. Yan, which is yung sender natin is si 2BBE, yung last 4 digit ng kanyang wallet address. Yan, check natin. Refresh lang natin. Okay, so yun, payments. Ayan guys. Yan, pumasok na. So check natin sa Tronscan para makita nyo lang guys na successful siya. So ang tagal. So yan, wag na guys. Yan, nakita nyo naman na nag-success siya sa ating Trust Wallet. Ayan, completed na. So yun guys, ayan. So yun, successful na naman yung ating pang-7 withdrawal. So kung gusto yung sumali dito guys, mag-invest lang kayo yung minimum. Okay, start kayo muna sa minimum kung gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. Okay, at saka kung risk taker kayo. Okay, so yun, ilalagay ko yung link sa description para makapag-register kayo agad. Take note guys, para makapag-withdraw, kailangan nyong mag-deposit muna ng at least minimum deposit is 30 TRX, which is nasa 150 PHP yon guys. Okay, so pwede kayo makapag-deposit gamit ang inyong Tron wallet or yung Binance account or any exchanges guys. Okay, pwede. So yun, that's it guys. Kung may mga katanungan pa kayo, mag-comment down lang kayo below. At syempre, huwag nyo na rin kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.